Welcome to Hidden Truths of Earth. Today, we dive deep into the ocean to explore a creature that defies all biological rules. What if an animal possessed not just one, but three beating hearts inside its incredibly flexible and almost entirely boneless underwater body? And instead of the familiar red blood flowing through our veins, imagine a creature whose life force is a brilliant, glowing blue. This sounds like a fascinating science fiction story, but it is actually the extraordinary biological reality of the magnificent ocean-dwelling octopus. The octopus stands out as one of the absolute most intelligent and mysterious creatures currently inhabiting our vast and unexplored global oceans. Equipped with 8 incredibly flexible arms and remarkable problem-solving abilities, they belong to a highly specialized animal group known as cephalopods. These marine animals have evolved over millions of years, developing physical traits that completely separate them from almost every other living species. Beyond their impressive camouflage skills and complex brains, one of their most fascinating biological secrets lies hidden deep inside their soft bodies. We are talking about their highly unique and incredibly complex circulatory system, which operates entirely differently from any terrestrial mammal on Earth. Unlike human beings who rely on a single central heart, the octopus has evolved a spectacular system featuring 3 distinct pumping organs. 2 of these specialized organs are known as bronchial hearts, located directly beside the delicate gills of this amazing ocean creature. Their primary job is specifically to pump oxygen-depleted blood directly through the gills, where fresh oxygen is absorbed from surrounding water. Once the blood becomes fully oxygenated, it travels continuously toward the center of the creature to reach the 3rd and largest heart. This 3rd crucial organ is called the systemic heart, and it takes on the heavy responsibility of sustaining the entire living animal. The systemic heart forcefully pumps this newly oxygenated blood outward, delivering vital energy to the brain, tentacles, and all other major organs. This beautifully complex internal system perfectly helps the octopus survive the freezing cold temperatures and notoriously low oxygen environments of deep oceans. However, there is a very strange and unexpected biological detail regarding how this central systemic heart actually functions during their daily movements. Whenever an octopus decides to swim quickly through the water, this main systemic heart actually stops beating completely for a brief period. This temporary cardiac arrest creates a sudden drop in blood pressure, making fast swimming an incredibly exhausting activity for these brilliant animals. Because swimming drains their energy so rapidly, octopuses strongly prefer crawling slowly along the rugged seafloor using their powerful and muscular arms. By walking on the ocean floor, they can keep all 3 hearts pumping steadily, ensuring a constant and reliable flow of oxygen. Now, let us shift our focus to another truly mind-bending characteristic of the octopus anatomy that confuses many traditional marine biologists. Human blood appears bright red because it contains a protein called hemoglobin, which is a molecule highly rich in natural iron. Iron binds securely with oxygen inside our lungs, creating the familiar crimson color that flows continuously through the veins of terrestrial mammals. Octopus blood, however, completely abandons this iron-based system and instead uses a remarkably different oxygen carrier molecule known scientifically as hemocyanin. Instead of relying on iron particles, hemocyanin is built around copper atoms to successfully transport vital oxygen throughout the whole living creature. When this unique copper-based protein binds directly with oxygen molecules from the ocean water, a fascinating chemical reaction immediately takes place. The chemical reaction causes the fluid to change its physical appearance entirely, turning the blood into a striking and vibrant blue color. This is the exact scientific reason why octopus blood appears blue rather than the traditional red color we see in most animals. While hemocyanin might initially seem like an unusual evolutionary choice, it actually provides these incredible cephalopods with a massive and crucial advantage. In the freezing and oxygen-deprived depths of the ocean, this copper-based blood actually performs significantly better than our red blood. Hemocyanin is exceptionally efficient at absorbing and transporting even the tiniest amounts of available oxygen in these extreme and harsh underwater environments. This brilliant adaptation allows octopuses to thrive in deep marine habitats where many conventional aquatic animals would quickly struggle to survive. However, pumping this thick and heavily copper-loaded blue liquid through their vast network of blood vessels requires an immense mechanical effort. This intense physical demand is exactly why the octopus originally evolved its powerful and highly synchronized 3-heart pumping system over millennia. The combination of 3 beating hearts and glowing blue blood makes this creature seem like it arrived directly from a distant galaxy. But their alien-like qualities do not just stop at their internal organs. Their external abilities are equally fascinating and completely mesmerizing. Octopuses possess the seemingly magical ability to change their skin color and physical texture instantly to perfectly match their surrounding ocean environment. Thousands of specialized color-changing cells called chromatophores sit just beneath their skin, waiting for electrical signals from their highly advanced brain. In less than a single second, an octopus can vanish entirely into a background of coral reefs, rocks, or sandy ocean floors. This flawless camouflage technique helps them remain completely invisible to dangerous predators while simultaneously allowing them to ambush their own unsuspecting prey. Furthermore, their nervous system is distributed throughout their entire body, meaning each of their 8 arms contains its own independent mini-brain. These individual arm brains allow the tentacles to touch, taste, and react to the environment without needing direct instructions from the head. It is a level of biological decentralization that completely challenges our traditional understanding of how intelligent life forms are supposed to operate. Some prominent marine biologists and evolutionary scientists have jokingly stated that octopuses are the closest thing on Earth to true extraterrestrial lifeforms. Their genetic code is incredibly complex, containing thousands of unique genes that are completely absent in any other known animal species today. Yet, despite their otherworldly appearance and bizarre internal mechanics, they are simply another magnificent testament to the relentless power of natural evolution. Over hundreds of millions of years, nature has carefully sculpted the octopus into the ultimate survival machine for the deep blue sea. Every single strange feature, from the 3 hearts to the copper-infused blue blood, serves a very specific and vital ecological purpose. They remind us that survival in extreme environments requires extreme biological adaptations that often defy our conventional expectations of normal animal anatomy. Deep beneath the dark ocean surface, where sunlight barely reaches, the octopus continues to quietly rule its domain with unmatched evolutionary grace. Observing these creatures in their natural habitat provides endless inspiration for scientists, researchers, and nature enthusiasts across the entire modern civilized world. We still have so much to learn from these 8-armed wonders as they navigate the complex mysteries of the underwater world. The ocean remains a vast frontier of unexplored secrets, and the octopus stands as one of its most glorious and captivating ambassadors. Perhaps one day, we will fully decode the incredible genetics that allow this master of disguise to thrive in such harsh conditions. Until that day arrives, we can only watch in absolute awe as they glide silently through the deep, guarding their ancient secrets. The designs of nature are often far stranger and infinitely more beautiful than any fictional story human imagination could ever possibly create. The octopus is living proof that our planet holds endless wonders waiting patiently to be discovered by those willing to look closer. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the deep ocean to uncover the magnificent biology of the mysterious octopus. Stay curious, keep exploring the wonders of our planet, and we will see you next time here on Hidden Truths of Earth.